Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, May 23 to 25, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have now the Southwest Monsoon, or the Habagat in Tagalog, affecting the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea areas. And it's also affecting the Ilocos region, Zambales, and the Calayan Island group in the Spratly group of islands. And over at Palawan and the Sulu archipelago, we have the southwesterlies, or the weak Habagat, bringing some rain showers and thunderstorms. Watch out for severe thunderstorms, particularly over the western sections of Luzon in the afternoon or evening, where this cumulonimbus will create more lightnings and heavy rains. So please take all necessary precautions against the risk of flash floods and landslides. Across the Philippine Islands, fair weather will be expected, and some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will also be the norm during this week, especially across the Visayas and Mindanao. Outside of Bar, we don't have any developing low pressure system. It's all intertropical convergence zone and the surface trough here. And that's the latest from GovSat. Here's the fast animation, and you can clearly see here the shift of the winds over the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea area because of the approach of the Southwest Monsoon, and some thunderstorms will continue to bring afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across the western sections of Luzon in particular, and also in some portions of Visayas and Mindanao. Here in the Bicol region, there's also chances of some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. Here's the zoom in satellite animation showing the intense thunderstorms affecting much of the northern and central Luzon, including Metro Manila, and also over Palawan, and portions of the Visayas and Mindanao. Now let's take a look at the rain forecast from the European model for the next 3 days until Thursday. By tomorrow afternoon, we expect again some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across Luzon, Visayas, Mimaropa, as well as some portions of Mindanao. And on Wednesday afternoon, we expect same weather conditions to prevail, becoming more frequent here along the Cagayan Valley and Ilocos region. And on Thursday afternoon, same weather situation will be expected. So this is the norm during the time of the start of the wet or rainy season here across the Philippine Islands. Even without the presence of tropical cyclones, these thunderstorms is the key to bring lots of rain across the farmlands of our country. Take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday. Most of the rainfall will be expected here over the West Philippine and South China Seas, and here over the northern sections of Luzon. That's the areas of Cagayan Valley and the Ilocos region. So expect rain showers and thunderstorms to prevail for the next 3 days, as well as some portions of Mindanao, Visayas, and Mimaropa. And let's take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday. So for the next 3 days, there will be a generally southerly to southwesterly winds that is expected to prevail across the whole of the archipelago within the next 72 hours. Except for the eastern sections of Luzon and Visayas, where the winds will be blowing from the southeast. So the convergence of this will create more afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across our country within this week. Okay, And before we end this update, here's the latest early May 2022 Climate Prediction Center official for official ENSO forecast. So this is now the latest from the U.S. Central Climate Prediction Center. And as you can see, the effects of La Nina is still there at 100%, but in the next few months, it will start to weaken. It will start to go back to neutral conditions right here. That will be on July, August, September time frame. So beginning today, so beginning this month, okay, April, May, June, it will start to slowly weaken. By July, August, and September, the La Nina situation will be completely back to normal, meaning that the climate will return to normal, but still the La Nina is at 58%. Once it reaches its lowest output around July, August, September, La Nina conditions will be around at 58%. So this will be the lowest output of the forecast. And then for beginning August, September, October, the La Nina will again increase to 60%. But this is at weaker levels, okay? So there will be still a likelihood of La Nina conditions within the last quarter of 2022 until early 2023. But this is no longer at moderate levels, just like we are experiencing now. So that's the reason why we are already in the wet and rainy season earlier than expected because of the effects of the La Nina climate. So there you go. That's the latest for today. And we will return on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.